Hey everyone! I wanted to make a quick video to share with you what we'll be making in the Intro to Jewelry class, or Foundational Techniques with Judy Parody, me. So in this class you're going to learn the 5 basic skills, and to do that we'll be making rings and a chain bracelet with a hook clasp. I want to emphasize that even though this is an intro class, you're going to be learning methods that you can use to make all kinds of jewelry and parts to all kinds of jewelry. In fact, I'm going to show you here how, using the exact same methods we use to make the ring you see, you can also make a cuff bracelet just by scaling up the size. So the 5 foundational skills are filing, shaping, sawing, soldering, and finishing. And as you learn these, you're also going to be learning which tools are used, the basic tools that are essential for making all jewelry. So we start by making a paper pattern, and we use that to get the wrist size or the finger size and the overall shape of the piece. I glue this paper pattern to a sheet of brass and then cut it out using the jeweler's saw. Cut all around the outside, and then I switch to cutting the interior segments, and when I do that, that's called piercing. So now I'm cutting out the floral shape that's in the middle and along the edges using the same jeweler's saw. Then I file the edges, and now I have a shape ready to be formed into a cuff. But first, I want to embellish the surface by stamping a pattern around the edge. To do that, I'm using a set of letter or alphabet stamps. I repeat the letter U around the edge and then add a dot in the center to each using a center punch. So I want to show that even with the most basic skills, you can do a huge variety of really interesting and beautiful things. Here's a close-up of the pattern that I made using the letter U, this letter stamp. Ta-da. And the little dot in the middle of each was made using the center punch, and I finished that all around the edge. Then I hammered the cuff around a bracelet mandrel, and I have this. So as you can see, you're going to be making finished jewelry in your first class as you learn the basic techniques. You can register for the class at the Metal Arts Guild of Georgia. Look for the Tuesday Morning Jewelry 1 Mini. Starts October 28th.